Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back, everybody. Let's take a look again on the Forex market. So you could see that the trading plan that we discussed in the weekend has not realized. It's just because markets were so scared in the beginning of the week on Monday that actually we haven't got any pullback. So market just immediately has jumped up, showing significant piercing on this area. Actually, if you remember, 109.30, it was also fib level. Mostly has been broken this upper direction, but from the technical points of view, at least, the fact that market stands at the overbought, it doesn't let EUR just keep going to the sky. So the combination of the fib resistance and overbought area just hold market from the uncontrolled upper performance. Although based on the current situation, I would say that overall performance looks really good. We have to take a look. Here's minor hand shorts that we talked about yesterday as well. This very fast right arm has been formed, but unfortunately market just could keep going with the common shape of the hand shorts, breaking neckline and keep going higher just because of this resistance area. So yesterday even was some talked about the emergent meeting of the Fed. Currently it stands off the public, so maybe they have met and made some decisions, I don't know. So very probable, just because some might could happen, especially if you take a look what's going on in the Japanese market. So in general, I have tried to in short explain what's really going on, because you can't well, here is not single factors. You can't just describe this performance and justify this performance just by a single driving factor. They are different, but since they are coming in the same moment, they just bring some crazy mess of the background that brings really huge volatility on the market. So currently concentration has a bit come down. I think that, well, speaking about the emerging rate cut from the Fed, I think that it's not time yet. Yes, drop was relatively significant yesterday, but in general 5-7% retracement, it is not the scale where the Fed has to step in and immediately cut the rate. Also at the same time, the fact that today we have some relief in market take the pause after yesterday's madness, it also doesn't mean that everything is done. So after some pause, performance in the same direction could be re-established. We will see. So since just 2 sessions have passed, it is too early to make some conclusions. We have to keep an eye on. Speaking about the euro currency in particular, here is a bit well, tricky moment. Keeping it short, based on the current combination of the factors that I see, I think that here we probably should get deeper retracement still. And reason for that, not only daily overbought and this resistance area, but if you take a look carefully at the weekly chart, you could see that today is really big scale of the performance. So we have to take a look also at the higher time frames. Take a look that the targets that we have specified, the nearest standing targets, already have been completed. So you can see this ABCD have been completed in one session, and COP, yes, just barely has not been touched, but in general it's very close to the completion of the minor COP target here, although the initial ABCD pattern is rather significant. So we would say that here's market has tested the cluster of targets. Besides, this is by the way the level that I'm talking about. Besides, recall about monthly grabbers. Their target stands right here. It was the target of the grabber, at least minimum target, and this target also has been completed. From that standpoint of view, I would suggest that on the ground of the possible relief that we will get today, here we do not need to hurry up with the position take. We need to keep an eye on, and I suppose that here we could be deeper retracement. Although the overall trading plan or strategy remains the same. We are watching for this upward direction as a major basic background for trading. We are not considering lower standing levels for now. And most probable area that might be interesting stands around 108.23, 108.52. On average, this around 108.35 area. So somewhere on this level, maybe we will get something interesting. That's what we have on the daily chart. Besides, if you will take a look at the other markets, on the dollar index, take a look what we are getting. This is today's session open. You can see minor gap up, close the gap, holding the lows of the session, and market keep going higher, taking out of the stop. So this gives me hints that on the euro currency, it's also retracement might be a bit deeper. So it means that we should wait, and maybe it means that it would be better to wait for deeper standing support areas. The same you could see on all other markets, bonds, other currencies, stocks, and so on. So on a lower time frame, on a 4 time frame chart, currently you could see that butterfly has not been realized. It's just because market has jumped immediately to the 127 target. Although shape of the butterfly, only if you consider this as a minor wing, but it's not probably very representative. So, but anyway, target market hits really accurately. So 127 extension of the swing as a target that we have suggested has been touched. On a lower time frame on the hourly chart, currently we do not have any clear patterns. So that could let us to set some targets, some kind of A, B series or something. Maybe some kind of the hand shorts will be formed a bit later. So here we have to wait and see what will happen. I am just by indirect signs. It seems to me that retracement still should be a bit deeper. That's what I am watching for actually. Level that we will be watching, we already have specified here on the daily chart, this support. And finally, guys, what is also interesting right now on euro currency, it's very important what will happen here, because if we take a look at the market, you could see that right until the top, right there around 113 area, we do not have any significant fib levels, because fib levels 618 levels 1 or 933 from this top to this bottom already has been broken, and 618 level from this top to this lows has already also has been broken right there, so it also doesn't exist. So it means that in this area actually market has a free space, it doesn't have any significant resistance. And by looking at the larger time frame, if the overall situation keep going in the same direction as it goes right now, take a look, we have to keep an eye on a big butterfly that might be formed on the monthly chart. Particularly speaking, here as it looks a bit small, but on the weekly chart it might be easily recognized. You could see it, right? So left wing, right wing, with the targets around 113, 114 area, which agrees with the monthly conference resistance. That probably will be next upside target. So market has to challenge this top if everything goes as it is going right now. So you can see that grabbers have been formed. Here is actually the right arm of this potential butterfly, not the arm, of course, the right wing of this potential butterfly. So that's what's about in a longer standing perspective. For now, as I said, let's keep watching for market performance, what we will have here on the daily chart and lower time frames, and keep an eye on the shape of the retracement that will be formed. Then we probably could consider the potential entries, the levels that we could take position with more precision.